song. I like to go to the birds because this is a bird song.
The Texas Rangers
so far.
And the St. Louis Cardinals. Right now on 2K Sports.
Hey y'all, I'm back here with that baseball game. Baseball, 2K14. Well, I really liked it a little bit, well, a lot, actually. Well, I liked it a little bit, well, a lot actually. I know I said it again, I'm just saying it in case you didn't hear me. Oh shit! Man! You're going back. Ah! No! No! Make a run! You walking your fast? Run! Make a run! Yeah, let's go. Type 1, baby. Just so you know, I'm the bull with the red on. I'm on the red team, not the blue team. Alright. What?
Strike 2.
Curvy dickheads. Oh. Bad. Yes! I thought that was bad. That's fucking ass. No bitch. The fuck? What type of swing was that? Bitch. That white ass girl, you're supposed to throw that shit hard. No, hold on, pause. Why they always being swinging and stuff like that? Cheating. Cheating ass niggas. Ah!
Ball 1.
That's some cheating. The hell?
Ball 2.
Foul. Dickhead foul.
Foul ball.
Who's catching shot that ball? What? Dickhead!
Ball.
All these balls. No homo. Balls. Balls? I love baseballs. I love them. Balls. What? They are cheaters!
Number 20, Adrian Belton.
a swing. Real shit. Oh! Hey, that's my yo. My name is Jacob. When I wake up, cause I don't know where to make up. Finally they swing after all them times. Cheaters! Who the fuck swings like that? Fucking weird. Hey! We got some shit going on. Cheaters. Oh, foul. Out. How is that an out? Cheaters. They just doing that because I got a black team and they have a white team. Cheaters. The racist ass game. See, that's why I don't like playing games with the racist ass. Early and some late. They cheated me. I ain't talking all day. Yeah. Oh. That could have been a ball, but he always in the ball. You from Texas? All my exes live in Texas, nigga. Say no. Yeah. What is this nigga just standing there for? Like he creepy, looking like some Slenderman. He was some stalky stuff. Stalker. Be like him. Be like him. Him. Pause. Come on. Okay, come on. There ain't no fucking sense. Oh my goodness. Loop. That could have been a ball. Cheat me, right? I would have put that thing down. Oh, they hurt my ears with that. Can't fucking higher. I'm fucking deaf, mate. I'm fucking. Booyah! Run, nigga, run! They're right there! No, bitch! No! You're fucking cheating! No, bitch! Yes, yes. Play, bitch. How you like my now? How you like my now? How you like my now? This shit right as fuck. What the fuck? Don't break. Put this shit down. Right as fuck. Alright, now you drawing. Now low as well. Alright, medium. There we go. How you like my now? Full power, nigga. Yeah. Full power. 200 miles per hour. Well, 6 miles per hour. Right there. Boom. Boom. Ball, nigga. Nigga, you got the fall. Too much on ball. What's this? 90 something too? About to get. Sorry, no. Let's go to 68, nigga. Oh, 82 now? I thought it was 92. First it was 92, now it's 82. Cheating ass twos, kid. How was it? What the heck? Look on you, slow! That shit was fucking booty. That shit was fucking booty. Fucking booty. He's cheating the shit out of me, y'all. See, I got sitting right here because they cheating it out of me, y'all. Because they're fucking booty. Hold up, one more. I wanted to play this, so let me do one more. What? DK, that's why you got a foul, bitch.